Okay, let's continue the rounds. Right now we fulfilled the second round. I'm gonna color it up so it helps me to see clearly. Okay, the next round we start. By the way, in this chart I don't see the raising loops here. Usually they are depicted like that. And here in between the second and the third one, I don't see the raising loop, but it will always be there, which means it's just not depicted here. We get raising loop, one single crochet into the same part where we made a slip stitch, one single crochet, and then 4 others into the arch. In between 4 of them there will be this. I don't know what it is exactly, but I suppose this is picot, a very specific one. I will try right now to make it like that, and we'll see how it's gonna look like. So there will be into each treble crochet one single crochet. You can see it's everywhere here. Into the arch 4 single crochet, and in between them in the middle there will be picot. Let's go. The third round is gonna be the raising loop, and into the same place we make the first single crochet, 2 single crochet into the arch, 1, 2. Here we have to make picot. I'll go with the 3 of them. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Like that. 2 more single crochet into the arch, 1, 2, 1 single crochet into the treble crochet from the previous round. And let's stop and see how it looks like, if we like it or not. It doesn't look bad. I will go with it. And again, 2 single crochet, picot, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochet into the arch, and 1 single crochet into the treble crochet. Okay, let's continue this way. I'm not sure if I like it or not yet, but I'm gonna give it a chance, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna change it. I'll see you here, and the connection, the slip stitch, is going to be done into the first single crochet in the round here. All right, we have finished all of the picots, and in the end of the round we need to make a slip stitch into the first single crochet this way.